So they have a few different brands. They have Shark, Bell. This one is Roof. I used to go like crazy when I was a kid. I really wanted to have one when I was 15 years old. It's a long time ago. Moto Guzzi. So they have a RSV4 factory. Carbon. Look very nice. 1100. Yeah, it's coming with a couple of each stock. Oiling, of course. That look nice. They also have Triumph and Motorini. Always. It's like my dream shop, you know. There's food there, bikes. Very nice setup. They also have Arai. So it's nice and light. Nuda Classic. B4 S. This one look very nice, but I really don't know what is it because there's no gear shifter, no rear brake. So is it automatic or no? Not sure. The Nuda classic Nuda. So they extended over there. They just built this one. That's nice. Getting bigger. Huh? You going? Yeah. See you later. I'll take you with me. Let's go, Mang, Raul. Gonna eat something barbecue. Oh, this is messed up so bad. This one also very messed up. So I'll take you barbecue to Mang, Raul. So we're here at Mang, Raul.
Ay, wala kang number, Dave. Asan? 5?
So that was nice, very worth it, you know. It's very nice and tasty. Sarap. That taste, that sauce is everything. I mean, the barbecue is nice, but the sauce is everything. And it's not expensive at all. It's very cheap. You should come and try. It's very nice. It's called Mang Raul. Very famous here. $19,999. On time for the service. Okay, 20k service done, spark plug, oil, and they say I need to change my chain set, so I need to double check this. I'll wait a little bit, then I will order it. The chain set is actually cheaper than what I expected. It's like 2,000 pesos, something like that. I thought it was much more expensive, but I will see. I'll wait for next week. Thank you on that desk, Mark. You know what I love about this bike is no matter, it doesn't really matter if I take it to service, I change the oil, spark plug or whatever. It's always reacting the same. There's always torque. Apart from the sound being very sexy, there's always torque. It's always good. My Raider 150, if I take it to service and I change the spark plug, the oil, you feel a little bit better. But this one is always the same. Same thing, same power all the time, whether you service it or not. I actually service it every 3k, so you know I really keep a track. So if you want to buy my bike when it's for sale, you know I take care of it. Not allowed to do this. Probably not allowed. Shit, and I'm going back to the same now. To the same shit anyway. Going back there. Very bad driving for me. Very bad. Immigration. I'm gonna be deported actually. That's why I need to go immigration. Ciao. I already paid. Okay. Charge me double, yeah, come on. shit. Should I change there? Oh, putang ina. No, it should be okay. Fuck it. If this guy is there, I'm not in the mood. I put one on the skyway. Whatever the name is. Now I need to go there, correct? Again around Manila. Again. 3 or 4 times I get caught on a NLEX or SLEX, whatever. Yeah. How are you? White custom? Ah, find you. Oh shit. Come in? Almost full off. Oh, nice, no? Go. Let's go there. Poor dog, man, poor dog. Doesn't look good. But R6 look nice.